Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin yung mga messages ni Capricorn. You have unexpected income, beautiful energy, meron kayong perang parating, dito na hindi ninyo inaasahan. Parang racket ito, side hustle. Hindi ito parte nung normal ninyong nare-receive na pera, no? So, maaring yan, racket talaga, no? Maaring may offer sa inyong kaibigan ninyo or kaopisina na gawin ninyo ang isang bagay and you will get paid, no? So, maaring ganun. We have number 21, ayan, family room. There is something, no? Important na pag-uusapan ang pamilya dito, Capricorn. So, that could be anything. That could be about money. That could be about the house. That could be about inheritance. That could be about family matters. That could be about members of the family, no? Maaring may mga changes. Maaring may mga adjustments or kung ano pa man, no? So, maaring gano'n ang sitwasyon dyan. 16, ayan, meron kayong iniisip dito, no? So, kung ano man siguro yung pag-uusapan dito, yun ang iniisip ninyo. Kung ano kaya hinuhulaan siguro ninyo, ano kaya ang pag-uusapan, no, sa pamilya? Ano kaya ang subject ng pag-uusap na to sa inyong pamilya? So, maaari din na may iniisip kayong babae, no? Kasi meron tayong picture ng babae dyan. So, maybe isang babae ay yung iniisip ninyo. Maybe you're concerned about someone, babae sa pamilya. Maaari yun ang iniisip ninyo or siguro hinuhulaan ninyo na baka siya, no? ang pag-uusapan or maybe siya yung subject ng usapan. So, posibleng ganun ang ganun. Okay? We have number 18. This is child. So, some of you dito, Capricorn, maybe is welcoming a child, is welcoming a baby. It could be girl or a boy, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Dahil, ano naman ito general reading. So, hindi naman tayo gender specific. So, this could be a baby boy or a baby girl that you are welcoming. Maaari din na kung hindi naman kayo yung manganganak ng baby girl or baby boy na to, this could be someone in the family, kamag-anak ninyo, kadugo, maaaring gano'n. Posible din na mga kaibigan ninyo, katrabaho, or someone you know, or someone close to your heart ang magwe-welcome ng bagong baby. Posible din na new endeavor ito, Capricorn. Not necessarily na bata talaga ito, but this could be a new endeavor, this could be new plans, new ideas coming in sa inyo at maaring yan ang sisimulan ninyo sa ngayon. Okay? We have number 19, coffin. And speaking of new beginning, no? This is also a new beginning energy. Kasi coffin energy is an energy of ending and beginning, di ba? Kasi kapag may nagtatapos, may nagsasarang pinto, merong magbubukas na bago, merong magsisimula. Okay? So, this could be anything. No? This could be anything sa buhay ninyo, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But definitely, there is something dito na nagtapos na. This ended already recently or in the past kasi nakasara na yung coffin. So, whatever this is, this could represent anything. No, depende sa inyong sitwasyon dito. This could represent this new beginning. Then, meron kayong sisimulang bago. No, you're heading towards a new path dito sa buhay. We have number 36, distant horizon. Ayan, so maaaring ito yung iniisip ninyo, nagpaplano siguro kayo. Kasi, this could be travel. This could be travel, international travel, travel by air, travel over water. Maaring ang iba sa inyo related dito sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Maaring ang iba sa inyo is a seafarer dito. Maaring first time ng iba sa inyong sumampa sa barko. Sa ngayon, posibleng ganon. Posible din na malayo ang iniisip ninyo. Naglalakbay ang isip ninyo dahil nandito tayo sa thoughts energy. It is also possible na yung iniisip ninyo to, yung mga pangarap ninyo ito, yung mga fantasies ninyo ito. Maaaring ito yung mga hopes and dreams ninyo, hearts, desires ninyo na iniisip ninyo kung paano siguro ninyo to maisasakatuparan or paano ninyo ito gagawin or paano kayo magmamanifest ng mga bagay na ito. So, posibleng ganon ang sitwasyon. So, good luck, Capricorn. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. For ang mensahe ni Virgo ay 13. Yan, wealthy man. So maybe you're dealing with a wealthy man at this time, Virgo. Maaring si wealthy man ay isang totoong yayamanin, no? Maaring this is very wealthy talaga. This could be anyone. Maaring mandiligaw ninyo yan, asawa, boss ninyo, kamag-anak ninyo. That could be anyone sa buhay ninyo. That is going to play a significant role at this time. Maari din na very successful na to sa kanyang money, career, and finances, no? So, maaaring magbigay ito sa inyo ng offer regarding trabaho, maaaring ganon, ano? Maaaring isa din kasi siyang boss sa trabaho, posible din yan. We have occupation, most likely, no? Most likely, boss ito sa trabaho, no? Maaaring siya yung boss ninyo, or maaaring siya yung mag-o-offer sa inyo ng trabaho. Kasi dito, maybe yung iba sa inyo naghahanap, no, ng trabaho, mapagtatrabahuan. Maybe nag-a-apply kayo sa kung saan kumpanya, and maybe ma-hire na kayo by this wealthy man. At kung ano man dito yung trabaho ninyo sa ngayon, or kung ano man yung ina-applyan ninyong trabaho, maybe that is something na gusto ninyong ginagawa. Maybe that is where your heart is, that is where your passion is, no? Yung enjoy kayo, masaya kayo sa inyong trabaho. So, we have number 9. Ayan. So, change. Mayroon change of residence. And maaring yung change of residence na to could be related to this job. Kasi maaring yung trabahong in-applyan ninyo would require you to relocate. Maaring gano'n ang sitwasyon dito, Virgo, no? Posible din ang mga pagbabago ito ay pagbabago talaga ng trabaho, opisina, pagbabago ng career path. This could be a change of residence as well, place of residence. Kasi meron tayong mga gamit, may lampshade, merong upuan. So, posible maglilipat bahay ang iba sa inyo dito. Maybe you're going to transfer somewhere else. Maybe this is migration as well. Maybe magra-relocate lang kayo dahil kailangan ninyo dito sa trabaho. It could be anything, no? It could be anything, but definitely this is going to change your life, okay? So what else? We have number 19, Coffin. Ayan. So this is a beautiful energy kasi si Coffin energy is an ending and a new beginning energy. So may mga bagay dito na magtatapos or tapos na kasi nakasara na yung Coffin. So you have put an end to this already kung ano man tong nagre-represent ng Coffin energy. So this is something na tapos na and you are heading towards a new life, no? You're heading towards you're heading towards starting fresh, no? So good luck to that, Virgo. What else? Maari din na relationship ito with this wealthy man. Tatapusin ninyo or tinapos nyo na. Maaring ganon. It could be trabaho din, no? Dahil meron kayong papasukang bago, may pagbabago tayo, diba? So most likely, nag-quit na kayo sa dati ninyong trabaho and you are starting sa bagong company or bagong career or bagong work, no? We have privileged lady. Ito naman, this is very beautiful pagdating naman sa inyong money, career, and finances. Kasi, this is a very prosperous and abundant energy, Virgo. So, siguro ngayon, may mga financial opportunities talaga na parating that could be offered to you by this wealthy man. Maaring ganun. Or yung makukuha ninyong trabaho, maaring dyan manggagaling yung inyong kaperahan. Maaring dyan manggagaling ang iyong financial success, no? So, good luck to that. What else? We have 39, community. Ayan. So, sa lahat ng pagbabagong ito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, parang nandiyan dyan para sa'yo, sa inyong tabi, ang inyong mga kaibigan, ang inyong mga kapamilya, and siguro mga kapitbahay, full support sa inyo sa pagtulong, kung saan man kayo papunta, ano man ang inyong gagawin. This could also signify, na welcome kayo, may sense of belongingness kayo, kung saan man kayo pupunta, kung saan man kayo titira or maglilipad, there is a sense of familyhood, belongingness, yung magiging masaya kayo, komportable, dahil parang welcome na welcome kayo ng kung sino man, no? So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. O na mensahe ni Taurus ay number 19, Coffin. Ayan. So, yung Coffin energy na to, this signifies endings and beginnings. So, meron tayong dito tinapos na, no? Kasi sarado ng Coffin, Taurus, ibig sabihin, you already put an end to this. So, kayo lang tayo nakakaalam niyan kung anong sitwasyon ito, no? Na tinapos nyo na, sinara nyo na ang chapter ng buhay ninyo na ito. Okay? And you are embarking on a new adventure dito. You're embarking on a new beginning, kumbaga, no? So, good luck to that. We have 22. Yeah, this is a master number 22, Taurus. So, please look up for the meaning of master number 22 for more guidance, alright? So, official person, you may be dealing with an official person. Maaring official ng gobyerno ito. Mga nasa mataas na posisyon sa kumpanya ang dinideal with ninyo sa ngayon, posibleng ganon. Message of concern, ayan, so meron kayong winu-worry dito, no? Meron kayong pinag-aalala at maaring yung letter na to, yung message na to, maybe nanggaling dito sa official person or maybe kung ano man ang dahilan, no? Kung ano man ang sitwasyon dito sa message of concern energy, maaring yan ang isasanggunin ninyo dito sa official person. So, this could be linked doon sa kung ano ang kaganapan sa buhay ninyo at this time. Okay? So, what else? We have number 11. This is another master number and this is huge dahil this is sudden wealth. Ayan. So, number 11 is a master number and a highly spiritual number. So, I suggest please look up for the meaning of master number 11 for more guidance po. Okay? So, we have number 777 then, no? So, ayan, 777. And this is an angel number 777. This is a very lucky number. Kaya, please look up for the meaning of angel number 777 for more guidance, alright? So, this is sudden wealth. Ang lalaking perang parating. So, most likely, massive, no? Ang perang parating sa inyo. This could be a windfall of money. This could be coming from anywhere. This could be a gift. This could be an inheritance. It could be anything, no? Na parating sa inyo na pera. Maaaring manggagaling yan sa kung kanino man, no? Na hindi ninyo ito pinaghirapan kasi sudden wealth ito eh. This is windfall of money. So, hindi ito bunga na inyong pagtatrabaho. Hindi ito manggagaling sa trabaho, no? Maaaring ganun ang ganap. But, this is really good. This is beautiful. Kasi maaaring ito yung new beginning na tatahakin ninyo sa ngayon, Taurus. You are starting a fresh, kumbaga, na sitwasyon sa pangkaperahang aspeto. So, maybe this is your chance na mag-build ng sarili ninyong financial empire. This could be something na makakapagpabago ng inyong financial landscape, no? And other areas of life. Kasi meron na kayong pera, meron na kayong extra pera, gano'n. Number 10, ayan, there is journey, there is travel dito for some of you, Taurus. So, malayo siguro ang babiyahin ni Taurus dahil maraming bit-bit na maleta si Kuya, no? So, maybe this is also you. Maybe you're coming from abroad and maybe you're coming back home for good. Maaring dito na kayo titira, hindi na kayo babalik, maaring ganon. Posible din na travel to links naman sa inyong trabaho, no? Link sa inyong career. Maybe you're going to work abroad na, no? At maaring doon na kayo magmamigrate at kayo ay magtatrabaho na doon. So, posibleng ganon. So, kung saan man kayo papunta dito, this looks like you're going to stay longer, no? Doon, no? You're going to stay long doon sa lugar na pupuntahan ninyo dahil marami-rami ang bit-bit ni Kuya dito sa card. Number 9, change. Definitely, there is a change of residence dito. Change of residence, change of career, change of job, maaring ganon. Or, maglilipat talaga kayo ng bahay, no? Maglilipat kayo ng bahay, apartment, or condo. Kung saan man kayo patungo dito, no? Talagang siguro, dito na kayo, no? Maaring dito na kayo mag-i-stay kasi ang dami nyo ng bit-bit, oh. yung gamit ninyo, meron na ditong upuan, meron na dating lampshade, so lahat siguro talagang hahakutin nyo na, and you're going to move in to a new house, condo, or apartment. So good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.